Lovies, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to see me. So today I'm going to be attempting to wax my own eyebrows for the very first time with these supplies that I picked up from Sally's. I picked up the GiGi Wax Warmer, the Space Saver one, and I'm going to be using the Wax All-Purpose Honey, and that's what I'll stick down in the warmer. And I also picked up some smaller sticks, wax sticks. I think these will be better for me for the first time to use for my eyebrows, so I picked those up. And I picked up the muslin strips, which I will be cutting in smaller strips to use for my eyebrows. So I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, let's get started here in a second. Okay, so I'm just showing you what my eyebrows look like beforehand. I have not been able to go get them waxed because we are quarantining. So I decided I'm going to try to do this on my own. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you join my family. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to be using Tones, the Dixon's Witch Hazel as my toner to just kind of clean up my eyebrows to make sure everything's no oils or anything are on my eye. So I'm gonna take a cotton round and get that cleaned up good. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm excited too to be doing this for the first time, and I'm bringing you guys along with me as I do it, and we're gonna see how it comes out. So now I'm just gonna take my little brush here and brush my eyebrows up, just so I can kind of see where I need to wax, the area that I need to wax. I can see it kind of clearly down on the bottom, because I noticed that the top of my eyebrows don't really grow as fast at the top, so my focus is really going to be on the bottom there. Alright, so I'm showing you right here the area that I'm going to go in with the wax. I turned the wax warmer on and it's been warming for about 15 minutes. This wax warmer is one you can use all day, so it doesn't have a high or low setting. And I'm showing you that I broke my stick in half so that I don't have to double dip. Okay, here we go with the wax. I'm just going in really slow. Spreading it on kind of smooth there. Try not to get too close. Just trying to stay along that line where I see the hairs at the most. So I was a little nervous. I didn't want to go in too deep, so I kind of played it safe. Whatever I have left over, I'll just use some tweezers, but I'm just trying to do it safe here for my first time. Okay, I'm showing you that I cut my strip there. I'm going and press it in, rub it on good. Now the thing that you want to remember is whichever way you put the wax on, you want to pull your strip the opposite way when you pull it off. So you go with the grain of the hair when you're putting the wax on, and then you pull it the opposite way when you're taking it off, if that makes sense. You also want to kind of pull your skin a little taut. And that's what I'm doing there. And then we're going to snatch it off. Yeah! There we go. Hey, that looks pretty good. Look at the hair that came off. Oh my gosh, I did it. I'm just kind of taking the strip there and dabbing off some of the... I can feel that it's still sticky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some oil, because if you use oil, it will, kind of dissolve the wax. So I'm going in with some avocado oil that I had left over. You probably could use an olive oil or baby oil or something like that too. But I had that, so I'm using it. So I put a little on a cotton round, and I'm just going in and wiping over the area to get rid of that wax that I still felt there. Okay. Now I'm looking because I can see that there's some pieces that I missed. So I'm going to take my tweezers and go in and clean those areas up. Like I said, guys, this is my first time, so I'm being very careful to see how, you know, make sure I'm doing it not too much the first time, and kind of try to maintain the shape. And I couldn't find my wonderful tweezers that I have. My boys probably have them somewhere, but anyway, I'm gonna make this work. It's just taking me a few more seconds. So I'm just going in, pulling out those little hairs that I can see, and just cleaning it up a little bit. I filmed the video in black and white because I felt like it would be cleaner, and my hope was that you'll be able to see what I'm doing better. So that's why it's in black and white, if you were wondering, just in case. So now I'm just going to take my brush again and just try to brush it back in place. But I decided to go back over it with some toner, the witch hazel, just to lay everything down nice and clean. And then I go back in with my brush, and I'm going to brush it down from the top. And as you can see, the top of my eyebrows don't look that bad, but I'm going to go in with just a little bit and a little bit of wax and try to just get any little hairs that maybe I can't really see. So I'm going to go in real slow. And if you notice, I go in an upward motion and then come in a downward motion. Yeah. Just kind of go with the shape of your eyebrow. So I'm just putting just a thin layer there, just so I can go in and kind of clean it up on top just a little bit. Remember to pull your skin, talk a little bit, and then snatch it off. Oh my gosh, that looks good. Alright. If you notice, I kind of just went with the, you know, up and down motion. So I went up, then I went down with my, and then I, you know, pulled it off in the opposite way there. Just cleaning it up. And I'm still taking a little bit of oil because I can feel that wax again, and I'm just getting the wax off. Now I may be doing this backwards, but I wanted the wax to be gone and I didn't want to wait until the end. I want to get this eyebrow pretty much ready, so I decided to just do it that way. So now I'm just brushing it up, see what I can see. Hey, I think for the first time I did a pretty good job. You know, I pat myself on the back. I'm sure that I will get better as time goes, but for my first time I think I did okay. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. And also let me know, have you tried to do your eyebrows yet at home? Have you ever tried to do it? What do you use? What type wax? I have seen some colored waxes and things before, so I'm just interested to know. So just drop me that information down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you use. Or if you have another technique, you know, I'm open to that. Please let me know. This is my first time, so I am by no means an expert. just going off what I know and what's been done to me when I go to the wax salon to get my eyebrows waxed. So yeah. I don't think it looks too bad. It looks pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna speed this up in a few seconds. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you how I brushed my eyebrows back down. And then I'm going to take some scissors, because if you can see, you see a couple little long pieces there. I'm going to go in with some little brow scissors and just trim those off. Not too much, just a little bit, because I noticed when I was brushing them up, I could still see some, you know, kind of long hairs. So I'm just trimming those just a little bit. And then I'll brush them back. Oh. Yeah. I'm taking my oil again, and like I said, it's just some avocado oil that I had left over. I really use it for my hair, but you can use it on your skin. It's just a moisturizing oil. It's really good oil. Alright, so I'm gonna be quiet here and let you guys watch me do the other eyebrow, but I'm gonna speed it up. And thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed, please do. And I would love to have you a part of my family here on YouTube. Take care.